Every modern snake meat factory begins with controlled and ethical breeding. Health monitoring ensures only prime specimens enter the production cycle.
Precision feeding supports growth without stress or waste. Every variable is monitored to maintain consistency.
Only approved stock moves forward in the process.
Traceability begins at the source. Biosecurity protects both product and facility. Movement inside the factory never stops. Precision starts long before processing. Conditions are kept calm to reduce stress.
Human oversight remains essential.
Clean transfer protects quality. Every batch follows its own path. The next phase begins with movement. From controlled harvest, the journey continues. Transport begins without breaking the controlled chain. Temperature control is locked before loading. Each unit is secured for safe transfer. Verification ensures full traceability.
The journal is now underway.
Every movement follows a planned route. Internal logistics stay controlled.
Security is part of quality.
The destination stays close. Automation guides every arrival.
Precision prevents disruption.
Safety systems activate instantly. The cold chain remains unbroken. The handoff is immediate. Transport ends where processing begins. Entry into the facility is tightly controlled. This is where scale meets precision. From outside to inside, control never slips. Every meter is designed for flow. Human access is just as regulated.
Verification happens again and again.
Vertical movement saves space and time. Everything connects by design. Only approved material proceeds. Material proceeds.
Each process has its place. Cleanliness is visible at every level.
The next stage awaits.
Timing is carefully managed.
Preparation begins with purification.
Now, true processing begins.
Cleaning begins at industrial intensity.
Every surface is treated evenly.
Nothing is left untouched.
Efficiency supports sustainability. The final rinse confirms purity.
Moisture is removed in seconds.
Human judgment adds another layer. Machines confirm what eyes detect. Standards allow no compromise. Most proceed without delay. Sorting begins with measurement.
Uniformity improves efficiency.
From cleaning to core processing. Final protection before transformation. Now, the real work begins. Core processing begins under controlled conditions. Modern systems prioritize controlled handling.
Separation of material and container is automated.
Nothing in the system stands idle. Core processing happens out of sight. Human oversight remains constant. Flow resumes without interruption. Temperature control preserves quality. Balance is measured in decimals. Processing moves at calculated speed. Timing keeps systems aligned. Core processing reaches completion. The process moves forward. Transformation awaits. Now, change truly begins. Transformation begins inside precision-built systems. Structure is refined through controlled motion. Consistency defines modern processing. Heat is managed to protect quality. Automation replaces guesswork. Quality is measured continuously. Stability ensures uniform output. Shape begins to take form. Uniformity enables scale. Detail matters at every step.
I keep bringing you useful AI-based videos. One like and subscribe. What really supports me? Watch till the end and share your thoughts in the comments.
Balance is engineered. Every unit meets specification. Processes converge seamlessly.
Transformation is complete.
Now, automation takes control. Automation takes over with absolute precision. Every movement is calculated.
Machines see what humans can't.
Errors are corrected instantly. Synchronization keeps pace. Heavy lifting happens overhead. Spacing defines efficiency. Performance is always visible.
Automation still answers to people.
Cleanliness is continuous. Only perfection moves forward. Efficiency is engineered. Preparation sets the stage. Automation hands off to refinement.
Now, refinement defines the final form.
Finishing begins with perfect alignment. Exact cuts define consistency. Refinement happens at the smallest scale. Uniform texture is engineered.
Balance is sealed, not guessed.
Final checks happen in motion. Appearance reflects quality. Perfection allows no shortcuts. Stability comes from patience.
Every unit matches the standard.
Refinement converges.
Clean to the very end. Quality control stands ahead. Inspection defines trust. Now, quality is proven. Quality control begins with visibility.
Human eyes still matter.
Machines verify every detail. Consistency is measured, not assumed. Testing confirms integrity. The lab remains isolated.
Science safeguards safety.
Composition must meet standard.
Results speak clearly. Traceability is permanent. Approval unlocks the next step. Control plans for exceptions. Quality is a system, not a station. The final stage approaches. Now, the product takes its final form. Packaging begins with precision feeding. Protection is sealed in seconds. Every seal is verified. Traceability stays visible.
Human confirmation completes the check.
Units become shipments.
Information travels with the product. Automation handles the heavy work. Stability is locked in. Storage preserves freshness. Inventory stays organized. Dispatch timing is precise.
The journey continues outward.
And this is how modern factories produce snake meat from start to finish.
Efficiency ends where delivery begins.